Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So first of all, we are having no high impact news in the market today. So I'll be anticipating the price to be less volatile today. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart and the price was having equal low. The price stripped these equal low and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below it. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here, where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. So the price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. So this sweeping of the equal lows pushed the price into the higher direction. So where are we currently? The price is reacting just above this order block. So I'm anticipating the price to come and mitigate this order block and then give a reaction in either side. So let's move into the weeklies for a detailed picture. So this is the weekly chart, and we can see that we are sweeping the lows and we have not yet mitigated the monthly order block. So there is nothing more to see. Let's move to the dailies now. So this is the daily chart and we are having the last unmitigated wick right here. We are also sweeping the previous highs. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction from here and take this low. But I'm still not sure, so let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the order flow we are following into the market after this flip zone. So I'll be anticipating that the price will not cross this high. If we are going to break this high or breach this high, most probably the price is going to shift into the bullish phase and we will having this as a strong low, since this is all mitigated right here. So there is nothing much clear yet. So let's move to the 1 hours now. So this is the 1 hour chart and this was the unmitigated wick and the price reacted from this unmitigated wick. And most probably if we are going to break below this low right here, then the price could turn into a bearish phase. So let's move to the 30 minutes to see the session's liquidity. So into the 30 minutes, the price is still having an unmitigated wick. So I'll be waiting for the price to turn into the bearish phase after breaking the demand zones. That is breaking the Asia low. So most probably, if we are going to take the Asia high and then we are going to take the Asia low, that would be the best scenario for me. So let's move to the 15 minutes for a detailed picture. So this is the 15-minute chart and I'm anticipating the price to move into the higher direction and then move into the downward direction. This will give the price a reasonable area of reaction, and that too, the price will be sweeping the high of the previous liquidity taken leg. So for now, I'm anticipating the price to give a response into the higher direction, but we are already into the POI. So if the price breaks below this low, most likely I'll be considering the Asia high as a strong low and taking bearish trade into the market. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.